Hello everyone, how are you? Hope so all are fine and doing studies. Okay, so now this is the second lecture, second video of for this new term. As you all have seen, the first term was very good. Some of the students have copied and some of the students have written in a very nice way. It's a very good thing. Hope so. In second term, again in the online session, you will not copy at all. So see, now in the last period we have seen about grammar session, and now this is the session given for textbook. One of the interesting poem 3.1 full unit will be for your second unit test. So see the first poem 3.1 Mice. Mice, the one of the famous poem written by Rose Flemen. She is a poetess. Poetess means what? A lady member who, when she writes the poem, is known as poetess. Okay, so see, listen and repeat. You have to listen the poem very carefully. While listening the poem, if you are keeping your finger on that particular lines, it will be very good. So, be concentrate towards the pronunciation and reading very properly. See, I think mice are rather than nice. Their tails are long, their faces are small. They haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are rather than nice. See, my dear students, the given poem is very simple poem, and when you will read in a one glance only, you will able to understand all the things that the poem is about mouse. Okay, and what mice are doing, you all are knowing very properly. How they looks, you all are knowing. They are not looking like elephant. They are not big one creature of the nature. They are the small creatures of the nature. How they looks? They looks nice because they are the small creature. Correct? No, they look nice. I think mice are rather nice. Means mice, the creature is very nice. What about their tail? Their tail is very long. If you are watching any mice, चूहे को अगर देखेंगे तो उसकी टेल कैसे होती है? बहुत लंबी होती है. Correct? So their tails are long. Their faces are small. In compared to their tail, their faces are very small. They haven't any chins at all. They don't have chin. Correct na? Their ears are pink. How their ears are looking? Their ears are pink. You will able to see in the picture. One of the mice is eating chapati. You will able to see in the picture, and how their ears are looking. They are in a pink color. Okay, then their teeth are white colored teeth they are having. You can able to see in the picture. They run about the house at night. The mice, when they are roaming in the house, they are roaming in the house at the night time. Why? Because at the night time everywhere sound is not there. A very calm and quiet atmosphere is there. Darkness is there, and in that darkness they are searching for their food. Correct? So at night only these mice are running here and there in our house. They nibble the things. Nibble means what? Something to eat with a small bites. To eat something by taking small bites. Okay, so these mice are having one of the habit that they nibble the things. They shouldn't touch. They means we are not able to touch them. Correct? No, and no one seems to like them much. किसी को उनको देखना भी पसंद नहीं है. Correct? Means no one likes to see them. Who will like to see them at night time? You are sleeping, and in the middle if you are getting up for drinking water, and if you are watching mice, you will get happy. Yes, I have seen the mice. Likewise, your expression will be not there surely. Correct na? Means you will not able to take interest for watching to them. Correct? Like how you are interested for watching the butterflies. Correct? Likewise, you are not interested to see them. but then also these qualities they are having, they are nibbling the things, they are not we are not able to touch them, we don't want to see them, but then also the poetess is saying that I think mice are rather nice, but then also the mice are very nice creature of the nature. Okay, so here we have ended with the poem. Now exercise is given to you. Exercise is also very small and very nice, like rhyming words are there. Nice, nice, mice, correct. Long, all, small, all, correct. Pink, about, white, night. Likewise, these are the rhyming words given in the poem. So you will get exercise, written exercise from the textbook itself. You have to write that exercise very properly in the workbook only. You don't want to solve that exercise in the notebook. Then in notebook only you have to write poems 2 times. The given poem mice, for homework you have to write the same poem in a very readable and good handwriting uh, 2 times. Okay, after writing 2 times, then take workbook and write all the workbook as it is. From me you will get all the answers. Then 3.2 activity is also there. That activity also you have to solve. So what activity is there, that I will tell you. Let's play activity is there. So in that one, put the letters in alphabetical order. Likewise, one of the activity will be there. So that activity you have to solve in a very proper manner. See here it is given. So put the following letters in the alphabetical order. These all letters in a very proper way in alphabetical order you have to keep in the mind. You have to write missing letters. Then see, fill in the blanks with missing letters in alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order you have to write these missing letters. Okay. Now see, you have to be very careful while writing that these given letters are in a capital form. So same capital form only has to be come in the blanks. Okay. See the next question. Put the following names in alphabetical order. Following names already from senior KG. You are watching these things. In first standard also. How to write the letters in a alphabetical order. You all have seen. So according to that only from A, first letter will come. So you have to put these names in a proper alphabetical ways. Then alphabetical order in the class. Now we are not in the class, so whenever we will meet, at that time we'll see this activity in the class only. Now see, again the homework has been given. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Okay, so first letter you have to consider for writing the alphabetical order. So that also answers I will give as it is. You have to solve in the workbook itself. Then frame the sentences using the given words. This big word, for example, this is the first word, big word. This word you have to use in your own sentence. For example, watermelon is a big fruit. Okay, elephant is an big animal. Likewise, you have to use this word, given word in your own sentence. Then answer the following question. Questions are given. So you have to write the answer in yes or no color. What is your yes or no form? See, last question is there, that what is your favorite color? So here if you are knowing rainbow's color, in first unit only we all have seen rainbow's poem. One of the interesting poem we have seen. And here if you are watching that ROYGBIV means these are the starting letters of all the colors. 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So these are the colors of rainbow. Then see, color the rainbow means coloring activity. Your favorite activity is there, so that activity also you have to do. Then see, write the names of the colors in the rainbow. Just now I told you which are the names of the rainbow. So V means violet, B means that particular color you have to write in the blank. Okay, now see, let's speak activities there. So let's speak. In this activity also you have to only speak. You don't want to write anything in the book, workbook or in the notebook. Simply you have to see the picture. See, these are the pictures. Pictures are given over here. So just you have to see, you have to understand the picture, and according to that one you have to read the sentence. For example, see, here you will able to see that bicycle is there, girl is there, road is there, means what you are understanding? The girl is riding the bicycle. So likewise here sentence has been given that a girl is riding a bicycle. So what you want to do? You have to read, you have to see the picture, you have to identify the picture, and simply you have to say the sentences. So by doing this speaking activity, say somewhere you will able to speak very properly without any mistake of pronunciation. Correct? No? Then see, a boy is climbing a tree. Correct? Then see, next picture, a woman is driving a car, a man is ironing clothes, a girl is keeping a rope, a man is driving a tractor, a woman is painting a woman is planting rice saplings. Okay, rice plants, saplings. And the last picture is a boy is riding a horse. So likewise, this is your reading activity. Listen and say. Correct. Words are also given. If you are watching upside, very upside in the yellow colored rectangle, you will able to see some of the words. So that words also you have to say only as it is. Okay, here last picture has been given on page number 66, that is a girl is feeding a cow. Okay, so likewise, then see, fill in the blanks. Here words are given and just you want to see, you have to write ing gerund for the verb. For example, the donkey is dash the cart. What will come? Pulling the cart. Okay, so likewise these blanks also you have to fill in a very proper way. Then see, complete the half sentences. The boy is eating, the boy is combing, the boy is kicking. Likewise you have to complete the sentences. Then see, work and workers. What works? See, for example, making the furniture. Who is doing? Carpenter is doing. So likewise this also blank you have to solve in a proper way. Okay, then this much work you have to complete then to me you don't want to send at the same time on the same day. Take your own time, read the poem very properly, write the poem 2 times in your notebook, and then fill these all the answers very properly in your workbook. Take your own time and then send to me the pictures. Okay, then in the next session directly we'll see the story time. Till that, take care all of you. Thank you very much. Bye.